दुनिया के सबसे धनाढ्य व्यक्ति है वॉरेन बफेट। उनकी फ्लैगशिप कंपनी है बर्कशायर हैथवे। There are 63 companies under it. More than 15 of them are Fortune 500. When he completed 50 years of his married life, उनके 63 CEOs ने मिलके 50 पार्टीज रखी थी पूरे विश्व में। Concluding party was in London, which was attended by more than 15 to 20 heads of states of Europe. बहुत dignified party। पति पत्नी दोनों मंच पे बैठे थे। Somebody, a gentleman sitting in the audience, he just raised his hand and said, "Sir, if you don't mind, can I ask you a very simple question?" And they said, "Fine." And the gentleman asked the question, "Sir, what is the secret of your happy married life of 50 years?" The microphone was in front of Warren Buffett. His wife, she pulled over the microphone and said, "I would like to answer this." खींच लिया microphone उनके मुंह के सामने. Not a single change of wrinkle on his face. So 50% of the answer people got from this action, how they would have continued for 50 years. And then she said, "Now listen very carefully. I'm talking of the world's richest man's work-life balance." हम जितने यहाँ बैठे हैं ना, उनकी सब, क्योंकि ये आई सॉल्यूशंस है, वेल्थ एडवाइजरी है, आपको एडवाइस देते हैं इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के बारे में, कमाई के बारे में कुछ कहते होंगे, करते होंगे। हम जितने बैठे हैं उनका हमारी सबकी वेल्थ प्लस 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 कर दो तो इट्स नॉट इवन 10% ऑफ वॉरेन बफेट। मैं उनकी बात कर रहा हूं। वॉरेन बफेट्स वाइफ, शी सेड दैट there has not been a single day in our married life where me and my husband and our children, we have not sat together for dinner at 8 p.m. This is called work-life balance. दूसरी बात उन्होंने बताई कि there has not been a single day where me and my husband, we have not gone out on an evening walk after dinner for at least half an hour. अब आप अपनी तलाश कर लो। Third thing she said, there has not been a single day where me and my husband, we have not sat together to tuition our children. Thereafter we tuitioned our grandchildren. And today at the age of 73, we are tuitioning our great grandchildren. उनको पूछा गया क्यों? And she said, we want to transmit our family values to the next generation, to the third generation. So we are spending quality and quantity time with our children. This is called work-life balance. इसको work-life balance बोलते हैं।